Welcome back to the channel. Today, I will be showing you how to make a diaper cream at home without a mixer using 3 ingredients. To make this cream, I will be using 3/4 cup of coconut oil, 3/4 cup of shea butter, and 1/4 cup of arrowroot powder. Combine the 3 ingredients in a medium bowl and mix to your desired consistency. After 4 minutes of mixing, this is what it looks like. Now it is time to transfer to the storage container. This is an old shea butter container that I took the label off and washed. Make sure the container is clean because you do not want to create an environment for bacterial growth. You can use the cream as is, or you can place in the refrigerator for anywhere between 2 to 4 hours so it can harden a little bit. And this is how mine looked after 2 hours. A little goes a long way, so don't use too much at a time. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like and hit that subscribe button. Bye. Thanks for watching.